It's okay. So I cut them like this, break the bones, so I can automatically cut it with small knife. You can see that. Oh. It's okay. I broke the bones already, and now I'm cutting the meat into size and pieces. You don't know. Oh. So after these parts, I'm going to season them, cook them for some while, then before I smoke it. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, I've cut or diced my meat into pieces. So this is it. I've washed it last year before I kept it in the refrigerator. So I want to wash it again. Oh, before I will, you see, these are what I'll use to just pre-boil it before I will smoke it. I have garlic, onion, black pepper, and my cubes. So you can imagine that kind of bush meat that is seasoned with nice or organic season. Oh my god, it's going to be giving inside. Just as you're watching, just keep imagining or imagine how it will taste inside an ogbono soup, egusi soup, black soup, ewedu soup, or any kind of soup. Just imagine bush meat that was seasoned before they were smoked. Oh my god. So now I wash it properly